Hi everyone, Hannah here. I hope that y'all have enjoyed a great Christmas and are looking forward to a new year. This is the January Mixed Media Project, a step-by-step tutorial. Right now I am painting the white gesso onto the canvas, and now I'm taking my heat gun and drying it. Now I'm applying brown rust effect paste to the Finnabair stencil called Swirly Florals. Really pretty stencil. I love the designs. And I'm just going to apply that basically around where the focal point of my layout is, so that it peeks out and just kind of fades out behind the main focus of the layout. Now I'm going to apply paint. The first color is Plum Preserves. And I'm just adding it in different areas where I want it to peek through and, kind of go around the focal point of the layout, just to add some depth of color. Now I'm spritzing some water onto it, and it has a watercolor effect. I love this paint. And I'm just turning the canvas to make it drip down to the edges. Now I'm taking some tissue paper and just kind of drying it a little bit. And after I blot up of the wet, then I take it and just kind of go around the white parts of the canvas. And then I dry that layer with a heat gun. Now I'm applying the Midnight Sky. And I add a little water to give the watercolor effect as well. Just blotting up the excess and using that excess and painting more onto my tissue paper, and just almost like a sponge effect on the canvas. Now I'm fussy cutting some layers of the paper. In the box you'll get journaling cards, the 4x6 journaling cards, and I'm cutting out, I cut out a little saying that I'll have as the main focal point, and then I'm cutting out fussy cutting some of the flowers and flourishes from the paper to add some layers up underneath the flowers that I will be putting. Now I'm working on finalizing my layout. I've added some embellishments that I fussy cutted out of the paper. I'm taking some of the resin pieces that I made using the Prima Renaissance mold, using the Prima Redesign modeling clay. And I took one of the flowers and I actually broke it in half, and so I'm adding just layers of very thin chipboard to the bottom of it, and I'm adding some foam blocks to the back of the little saying that I'm going to glue down, so that it will stand up well and be level along with the resin piece. I'm having to just add an extra layer so it stands up and doesn't bend down. And I'm using the 3D Soft Gel. I don't have anything heavy to apply to the canvas. If you have lots of metal pieces, you would use a heavy gel. I'm just using a 3D Soft Gel, and that will be enough to adhere the pieces to the canvas. Here I am applying, kind of laying out some of the extra flowers. I applied a metal paper clip to the saying in the center of the layout. I also have some little metal embellishments that I'm applying to the layout. All of these items are included in your box. Then I will be painting the white resin pieces so they kind of blend in more with the layout. And I'll be applying these Say It in Crystal little rhinestone stickers or rhinestone adhesives. I'll be applying those, micro beads, and glitter flakes. And all of these items are included in your box. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to let me know. Thank you so much for your participation, and I hope that you have a lot of fun with this project.
she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it in.